Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to charge your Chevy Bolt EUV. First, let's cover the three main charging levels. Level 1 charging uses a standard 120-volt household outlet, perfect for overnight top-ups. Level 2 charging, on the other hand, requires a 240-volt outlet, similar to what a clothes dryer uses, offering significantly faster charging speeds for daily use. Knowing these options helps you choose the best method for your needs. Level 1 charging is ideal for adding a few miles of range overnight, typically providing about 4 miles per hour. For more substantial daily driving, Level 2 is your best bet. It can fully charge your Bolt EUV in approximately 7 hours, making it perfect for home installation. Many owners find installing a Level 2 charger at home offers the most convenience and ensures their vehicle is always ready for the road. When you're on a longer trip or need a quick boost, DC fast charging is incredibly useful. This method offers the quickest way to replenish your battery while you're out and about. You can gain up to 95 miles of range in just 30 minutes, which is fantastic for road trips. Your vehicle's navigation system can easily help you locate nearby public DC fast charging stations. To maximize your battery's lifespan, it's often recommended to charge your Bolt EUV to about 80% for daily driving. Also, consider utilizing scheduled charging through your vehicle settings to take advantage of lower off-peak electricity rates, saving you money. And speaking of bringing things to life, check out the Echo Dot smart speaker mentioned in the description below, along with other great deals. These simple tips will help you get the most out of your electric vehicle experience.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.